The power system of an automobile is the engine. An internal combustion engine is a type of heat engine that converts the chemical energy stored in fuel into mechanical power through its various parts. Internal combustion engines fall under two categories. A. Reciprocating type internal combustion engine. Example diesel and petrol engines. B. Rotary type internal combustion engine. Example gas turbines and Wankel engine. The main components of an internal combustion engine are the cylinder, cylinder head, piston, piston rings, gudgeon pin connection rod, crankshaft, cam chain, crank pin, engine block, inlet valve, exhaust valve, spark plug injectors, rocker arm, tappets, fuel line, oil sump, crankcase, fuel pump, gaskets, water pockets, etc. Engine terminology. Various terms related to internal combustion engines are described as follows. Bore. The internal diameter of the cylinder is called the bore. It is expressed in mm. Stroke. It is the distance traveled by the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center or vice versa. It is measured in mm. Dead centers. The extreme position of the piston inside the cylinder during the motion is known as the dead center position. Top dead center. The topmost position of the piston during its reciprocating motion inside the cylinder is called the top dead center, TDC. Bottom dead center. The bottommost position of the piston during its reciprocating motion inside the cylinder is called the bottom dead center, BDC. Crank throw. The distance between center of the crankshaft and the crankpin is called crank throw. It is equal to half of the stroke length. Clearance volume. The volume contained in the cylinder below the cylinder head and above the top of the piston at the top dead center is called clearance volume. Piston displacement or swept volume. The volume swept by the piston when it moves from one of its dead center position to the other is called piston displacement or swept volume. Compression ratio. It is the ratio between the total cylinder volume to the clearance volume. Piston speed. The distance traveled by the piston per unit time is called piston speed.